I never show you my, what is it, like walking in my homes, like near homes, neighborhood, because well, because they know me and I kind of afraid. I told you I don't really say hi. Wait. Oh, and then there's already, bapak-bapak, man. It's not like it, but there's carnival down there, so I don't know if I can use my scooter. So I'm just taking precaution there. Push. Happy, happy. I know. You don't even, that's why I'm always jogging to another neighborhood, even though yeah, actually this is kind of pretty, but yeah, not that pretty. The other neighborhoods mostly rich people. Like some are riches, but mostly are not. Just like me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I look pretty. Before I go, then I look myself. I don't know. Bullshit. I'm blue. Yeah. I told you I'm not gonna use red and white. I already use it actually one day only. This is my resistance to this country. I'm using blue, blue, blue.